All you need to do is to submit a letter of inquiry. So go ahead and create an account on the grants portal using the button at the bottom of their page. As for new applicants, once you are in the portal, please click create new account to begin the registration process. And if you are returning applicants, please enter your login credentials and click log on, then submit a letter of inquiry through the online form that is provided, yes, on their websites. And upon review, they're going to determine if your request is a good matching with their funding priorities, and you will definitely receive notice via email. If there's an interest in funding your own request, a link proposal, yes, a link to submit a full proposal will be included in the email with the guidelines, yes. So all you need to do is submit a full proposal. Follow these steps right now. Once you receive the notification I just shared with you, once you get a notification with an email with an invitation to submit a full proposal, so log into your grants portal account to work on and submit your proposal. Be prepared to also provide the following: an explanation of the program to be funded. Yes, what do you need the money for? Let them know, which includes the objectives, the goals, the time frame, the budgets, and other sources of funding. Yes, as well as organizational overview, which includes your mission, the history of your company, the services that you provide, your most recent annual report and financial statements, as well as current list of officers, directors, or trustees, and a copy of the IRS letter designating non-profit charitable status, as well as approval of the executive director or the chairperson and the chairperson if both of them are actually involved. So guys, as always, I have done all the homework for you. You know on this channel, you know what time it is, guys. In my next video, I'll share with you how you can win a quick $1,000 grants. Yes, I know it's small money, but yes, for those that need the grants for their businesses, it means a lot, especially to a small business. You guys already know that every penny counts, as a small business owner. So yes, that is all about today's grants. Tune into this channel. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell for this channel so that you're notified every single time I have new grants for you guys on this channel. Here it's back to back great information for you guys, and I'm constantly researching for you guys day and night. Last night I slept at 2:30 a.m. You heard me right, 2:30 a.m., which is not so good for me because now I decided to sleep early. I'm like, okay, I'll start sleeping early at 1 o'clock or max 1:30. Yes, but yesterday I had to sleep at 2:30 researching these grants information for you guys. Please go ahead and apply for them as quickly as possible. And do also share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and that is all about it today. So besties, right now I'm going to share with you how you can apply for my own personal giveaway. I'll be giving away $100 cash gifts. Yes, it's coming from me to you, and I'll send it to you anywhere you are in the world. All you need to do is this: go ahead and add your friends into our Telegram community. Yes, we have launched our Telegram community, so go ahead and add your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. So go ahead and add your friends into my Telegram community, and that way, if you're able to add 50 people, come back to this video and let me know so that I can, take note of it. And yes, you're on your way to getting my $100 cash gifts. So yes, one way to get this done real quick is by adding 500 people into my Telegram community. Yes, add 500 people or 1,000 of your friends into my Telegram community, and yes, there you have it, guys. It's as simple as A, B, and C. Please note me and feel free on this channel to ask any question. I'll be more than happy to respond to you.